Hey Emery, where are we going? That's right. What are you doing? Oh, you're making Jack's a merman. The family and I love going to the beach, and we always collect seashells as souvenirs while we're there. I figured it'd be nice to incorporate some of the shells we've collected over the years in some upcoming projects. I decided to make an anchor for Jackson and use some of the seashells as decorations. I first sketched out an anchor to get an idea of what the project would look like. And then I drew a larger version of the anchor. After cutting it out, I used it as a template to trace onto a sheet of 3/4 inch construction grade plywood. Construction grade plywood is meant for just that, construction. The unfinished face of the material is rough and full of imperfections, but for a painted art project like this, it works well with some added spackling compound. Then I cut out the anchor with my jigsaw, making sure to cut right along the pencil line. Next, I used my drill press with a Forstner bit to cut out the hole at the head of the anchor. I applied some MH-ready spackling compound to fill in some of the dents and voids in the plywood. Some of the dents will show through the paint, but that's okay, it will just add a distressed look to the anchor. I allowed for some dry time and then sanded the surface and edges smooth with 220 grit sandpaper. The kids helped by painting the base coat onto the anchor. The paint they're using is called Apple Barrel Mountain Blue. And once the paint was dry, I added the accent color, which is called Waverly Lagoon Chalk Paint. I loaded up a paintbrush with paint, and then brushed off most of the paint onto cardboard and a paper towel. Then I lightly brushed the edges and the surface with the chalk paint. And this will add highlights to the initial blue base coat. Next, Jackson attached the seashells with hot glue. He added a bead of hot glue along the inside edges of the seashells, and then held them down onto the anchor for a couple of seconds while the glue set up. hand twisted some jute twine into a rope and then hot glued it onto the anchor. After cutting off the excess rope, I added some super glue to the rope inside the hole to further secure it and to prevent the rope from unraveling. And with that, the anchor was done. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell to be alerted when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching, I do appreciate it, and until I catch you on the next one, please take care and stay safe. Goodbye.